I'd say one of the most frustrating things is when you lose the keys to your vehicle, like I did with my Colorado. I had to take it into the dealership and have them look up the key, cut the key, and then program the key, because these newer vehicles are all electronic now. That cost a lot of money, upwards of $250. I did not get a key fob when I did it, because the key fob is an extra $150 plus another $150 to program it for one key fob. I told them I'd find a different option. What I did is I went to Boost Auto, and you can get a key fob, which is the newer style, which is way nicer. It's got clickier buttons on everything like that, and it's for a fraction of the price. And you can program it yourself. So for $80, you can get the key fob. I think it's more like 86, something like that. And then for $150, you get the key fob and you get the programmer, and you can program it yourself. That's what we're gonna do today. So if you lost your key fob, I'm gonna show you how you can replace it on most of the newer Chevrolet vehicles. I think they do have a couple for the Dodge Rams, the 1500s and the 25s. I'll leave a link in the description to their website. It's no affiliate link to me. It's just, I'm trying to help you guys out and save you guys a little bit of money. So we're gonna go through and we're gonna program it here and see if it's as easy as they say it is. So let's get started. So the first thing they say to do is to turn the ignition on. Once you have the ignition on, you take your programmer, which is right here, and plug it into your OBD port on the bottom. Once you have it plugged in, it'll do a series of beeps, and on the dash it'll say remote key learning activated. Now they say to take your lock and unlock buttons and hold them for, I think they say 15 to 30 seconds. We got a tone. We're gonna hold it a little bit longer just to be safe. I'll speed it up so you guys don't have to sit here and wait with me. After the 15 to 30 seconds is done, you can try your lock. And just like that, you reprogrammed your Colorado or any other Chevrolet to the newer style key fobs. This is what the new style looks like, so that's what you would be updating to. They do have ones that have remote start, so if your vehicle is equipped with a remote start, you can get that as well. This is a simple process. Once it's done, you can just turn the key off and remove the programmer. Now, your lock and unlock works, and you don't have to use your key to enter it in. The big problem with this was when you unlock the vehicle and open the door, the horn would start beeping until you get the key in and you start it. Everybody in the parking lot's looking at you, and it's not a fun experience. So for $150, you can get the key and the programmer and save yourself at least $150. And you can save the programmer, so if you want to add this key, or if you lost it, for $85, $87, you can get a new key. If you guys like this video, give it a like, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you guys in the next videos.